grinding, snoring, jaw pain? You don't always need surgery or medication. Sometimes the solution is as simple as a custom-fit oral appliance. At Northampton Dental, we help patients find relief from a range of common but disruptive issues like teeth grinding, jaw tension, and sleep-related breathing problems using custom-fit oral appliances. These small, non-invasive devices are worn during sleep and designed just for you. No guesswork, no over-the-counter trial and error. We custom design oral appliances that are comfortable, effective, and built to last. Here are just a few ways they can help. Night guards. Protect your teeth from grinding, bruxism, while you sleep, reducing wear and preventing future dental damage. Snore guards. Keep your airway open and reduce snoring, so you and your partner both get a better night's rest. TMJ relief appliances. Ease pressure on your jaws, joints, and relax tense muscles, helping reduce pain and headaches. The best part? No machines, no pills, no downtime. Just real relief and a better night's sleep.